Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Tom Chaney from Living Health Integrative Medicine in Annapolis, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is this good for a type 2 diabetic? And specifically, I'm going to be talking about this product here, the Glucerna Hunger Smart Meal Shake. This is a product that I had recently. I had a patient in my office, and she put this on my desk and asked me the question, is this good for a type 2 diabetic? Should I be consuming this? So I'm going to do exactly what I did with her. We're going to look at the ingredients, we're going to go through them, and I'm going to talk about some of the ones that I have concerns about. But first, let's talk about the shake, and let's talk about what they're promoting and how they're promoting it, and discuss that. So you can see here, has 23 grams of protein, up to 7 grams of fiber, and then 250 calories. And then they're promoting that it's supporting your immune system and immune health. Great taste. They're promoting it comes in chocolate or vanilla. And then it talks about some of the key nutrients that it contains. So vitamin A, zinc, D, C, E, and protein. And then over here, just once again, highlighting how it supports the immune system. So let's dig into the ingredients down here, and let's see what this has in it. Right off the bat, you can see it contains milk and soy. So one of the things that I do in the office when I have a diabetic is we do individualized treatment programs. And one of the ways we individualize a plan is seeing how a person's body is reacting to certain foods. So I've done thousands of tests, food sensitivity tests on patients, and I can tell you that the majority of my diabetics have an issue and a reactivity to dairy. So what does that mean? That means that their immune system is reacting to it, which creates an inflammatory reaction. Anything that causes inflammation in the body is going to elevate your blood sugar. So it's something that we would want to stay away from. So that's why many of the plans that I put together for my type 2 diabetics, we will eliminate dairy from their program. So you can see this has a large quantity of dairy in it because the second ingredient is milk protein concentrate. So that is a concern. First ingredient is water. So a large, most of this is water. Soy, another ingredient here. You can see soy oil, soy protein isolate. Another product of concern for me, because once again, I do see that soy does cause inflammation in many of my diabetics, so we do eliminate it. Most of the soy out there is genetically modified as well, so it's another concern. As well as canola oil. The majority of canola out there is genetically modified, so I just try to keep my patients away from any genetically modified substances. So that's a recommendation that I give. If we go down, if we take a look at some of the other ingredients, we've got natural and artificial flavors. Once again, another concern, I want to keep my patients away from any artificial flavors and artificial colors. So there are some of these products that contain artificial colors, so we want to stay away from those as well. Sucralose, another ingredient I want to talk about. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener, so we want to stay away from sucralose, aspartame. We know from the research that these products definitely increase the risk of being a type 2 diabetic. So if you're already a type 2 diabetic or pre-diabetic, we definitely want to eliminate these from our diet. These products are going to put increased stress on the gut, the intestinal tract, and also on the liver. It's also been shown to affect the brain as well. So we want to stay clear of any of these artificial sweeteners like sucralose. So we keep going down through. Carrageenan, that's another one I want to talk about. So carrageenan has been shown to put stress on the gut and intestinal tract as well. Once again, if you watch my webinar, I go through and just talk about some of those key organs, glands, and systems that help to regulate blood sugar. One of them is the intestinal tract. You want to keep your gut healthy, and carrageenan does put additional stress on that area. It has been shown in certain animal studies to increase the risk of cancer as well. And we know as a type 2 diabetic, when you have elevated sugar, you're already at an increased risk for cancer, so we don't want to add on to that. So another ingredient of concern. If we look at the nutritional information over here, so 16 fluid ounces is the serving size. We've got 250 calories. We've got the breakdown of each of the different nutrients, the vitamins and minerals, and how much they're contributing to the recommended daily allowance. You can see not very high, and recommended daily allowance is the minimum amount, so you're not really getting high amounts of these vitamins and minerals. So, some of them are hitting the 100%, like vitamin C, but really that's just enough so that you're not getting scurvy and some of these, diseases associated with vitamin C. It's not really an optimal level, and that's what you have to understand when you're reading these labels and the nutritional information. So that's the Glucerna shake, so specifically the Hunger Smart Shake. So would I recommend this for my type 2 diabetics, and do I recommend it? I don't. What I do recommend to my type 2 diabetics, which I feel is a better alternative, something that we have in the office here, is Glucovite. Glucovite is a powder, and you actually mix it. So it comes in this tub. You take 2 scoops. You can put it in water. You can add a little almond milk or coconut milk to it. But this has been shown, and we've got some of the support for this as far as supporting healthy glucose and insulin metabolism, reduce the glycemic impact of meals, so it just helps you better manage if you do have carbs in your meal and the glycemic index of those foods. It helps to manage those better. Lipid metabolism, so most of our diabetics we see have high triglycerides, high LDL, low HDL, so it helps to support healthy metabolism of those lipids, provide antioxidant support, and then also healthy nerve support. Most of our diabetics, they're suffering from nerve pain or neuropathy, or they're concerned about that. So this is going to help support healthy nerve function. And then if you go through, and this is on our website. If you go to livinghealthmarket.com and you just look up Glucovite, you have everything, all the support as far as the research behind this and how we came up with this product, and also all of the supplement facts. So you got all of the nutritional information here, and when you look at the nutritional information, you can see the quantity of the ingredients compared to some of the ones that we just looked at. So like, for example, vitamin D12, you're getting 833% of your daily value, and so most of these are going over that that lower limit that we talked about, and going over here as well. So this has, as you can see, it has the protein, 21 grams of protein. That protein primarily is coming from pea protein. Also has rice protein as well. A lot of antioxidants as well, and all those different ingredients that are so important in helping you support healthy blood sugar. But you can read through this on our website as well. It gives you some of the background on the protein blend that we put together. It is sweetener free, so there's no artificial sweeteners in it. And then down here are the references. So if you want to go through the research that supports this product, we've listed that as well. As you can see, this product does not contain any wheat, no gluten, no yeast, no soy, no animal or dairy products, no fish, no shellfish, no peanuts, tree nuts, no egg, no artificial colors, no artificial sweeteners, and no artificial preservatives. So, this is the product we put together and that we promote to our type 2 diabetics if they're looking for a meal replacement to use during the day. So this is really quick, really easy, and it's good for you, and it's going to help you support healthy blood sugar function and levels. So I hope you guys got some great information out of this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below if you have any questions about either product, or if you have any questions about the ingredients, be happy to answer those for you. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and then share this with friends and family. If you know that they're having issues with blood sugar management, then definitely share this with them. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.